In Celebration, Florida, homeowners enjoy a beautiful community with charm, style, and comfort. However, the state's humid climate brings unique challenges that can affect both the structure of a home and the health of its residents. One of the biggest concerns in humid regions like Celebration is the risk of excess moisture and mold growth. Outdated or inefficient windows are often to blame, as they allow condensation, air leaks, and water intrusion. Replacing them with modern, well-designed windows can significantly reduce humidity and protect your home from mold-related problems. The problem with old windows in humid climates: older windows, especially single-pane designs or those with deteriorating seals, are prone to letting moisture inside. When humid air meets cool glass surfaces, condensation forms, creating the perfect environment for mold. Some common issues Celebration homeowners face with outdated windows include condensation buildup on glass and sills, leaky seals that allow warm, damp air to enter, warped or rotting frames that hold onto moisture, drafts that disrupt indoor humidity balance. These issues don't just cause cosmetic damage, they can lead to serious structural problems and health risks if left unaddressed. How new windows control humidity? Modern windows are designed with advanced technology to combat the very issues that make Celebration's humid climate challenging. Double or triple pane glassed multiple panes of glass with insulating gas between them reduce the temperature difference between indoor and outdoor air. This minimizes condensation on glass surfaces. Low E coatings, low emissivity coatings on glass reflect heat while letting light in, preventing indoor surfaces from getting excessively cool and attracting moisture. Airtight seals and frames. New windows are engineered with precision weather stripping and insulated frames, preventing humid outdoor air from sneaking inside and disrupting indoor comfort. Moisture-resistant materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping, rotting, and mold growth, unlike older wooden frames that absorb moisture. Mold prevention benefits. By reducing humidity and condensation, new windows help Celebration homeowners prevent the growth of mold, which thrives in damp environments. Mold isn't just unsightly, it poses real risks. Health impacts. Mold spores can trigger allergies, asthma, and respiratory issues. Structural damage. Mold growth can weaken walls, floors, and window frames. Unpleasant odors. Persistent musty smells can permeate indoor spaces. Installing new windows helps protect both your family's health and the long-term value of your home. Additional benefits for Celebration homes. Beyond reducing humidity and mold, new windows offer several advantages. Energy efficiency. Insulated glass and airtight seals reduce cooling costs in Celebration's hot summers. Comfort. Fewer drafts mean more consistent indoor temperatures. Curb appeal. Fresh, stylish designs improve the look of your home. Resale value. Buyers in Celebration appreciate modern, efficient, and healthy homes. Together, these benefits make window replacement one of the most valuable home improvements available. Why professional installation matters. To achieve the full humidity and mold-reducing benefits of new windows, professional installation is essential. Local experts understand Celebration's humid climate and ensure windows are sealed properly to block outside moisture. Frames are installed securely to prevent leaks. Products chosen meet Florida's energy and weather requirements. DIY or poorly done installations can leave gaps and errors that allow humidity back in, undoing the benefits of your investment. Final thoughts for homeowners in Celebration, Florida. Upgrading to new windows is more than an aesthetic choice. It's a proactive step toward a healthier, more comfortable home. By reducing humidity and limiting condensation, modern windows significantly lower the risk of mold growth while improving energy efficiency and indoor comfort. With professional installation and the right materials, your new windows will protect your home from the challenges of Florida's climate, ensuring peace of mind and long-term value.